Are you struggling to find a cost-effective roofing solution that stands the test of time? Introducing PEB Arch Roof Construction is reliable, economical, and efficient roofing solutions. Our innovative PEB Arch Roof Construction are designed to provide you with a robust and long-lasting, tailored to meet your specific needs. We create arch roofs that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your structure but also ensure maximum strength and stability. Our roof that can withstand harsh weather conditions while requiring minimal maintenance. Our unique construction method utilizes high-quality materials that promise longevity, reducing your overall roofing costs over time. Whether you're a builder, a business owner, or a homeowner, PEB Arch Roof Construction has the perfect solution for you. Ready to transform your roofing experience? Choose our PEB Arch Roof Construction today and enjoy the results of a secure, dependable, and economical roof that not only protects your investment but also elevates your property's value. Contact us now to get free consultant. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.